Good evening. Corruption charges filed against former Utah Attorney General Mark Shurtleff have been dropped.
Yeah, we learned this evening that a judge granted a motion from prosecutors who had raised several concerns about continuing on with this case.
But news specialist Andrew Adams learned tonight that that may not be case closed for Shurtleff. Right, Andrew?
It certainly looks like this case is done for now. This is the order signed by the judge that grants prosecutors' motion to dismiss. But 2 words on one of these pages means that Mark Shurtleff may not be totally out of the woods. That grueling walk through the courthouse. Former Utah Attorney General Mark Shurtleff got to know it well as a one-time prosecutor and then as a defendant. So when the news came in this motion that a judge had agreed to dismiss his case, the reaction was obvious. Joy expressed in a text to KSL. Shurtleff's lawyer more emphatic, suggesting the state saw the writing on the wall. But
if you dismiss a case without prejudice, it can be refiled at any time.
Sure enough, the document says the amended information in the case was dismissed without prejudice. In theory, longtime former prosecutor Kent Morgan says that wording gives the state the opportunity to refile.
Is it done? Occasionally. In this case, Mr. Rawlings said that he would not be filing charges in this case.
For now, Shurtleff tells KSL he believes the wording of the dismissal may deny him attorney's fees. Morgan doesn't expect him to find relief.
The state has no authority to award attorney's fees to anyone in a criminal action.
Former Attorney General John Swallow remains charged under the same allegations. Morgan says what happened with one AG's case could potentially impact the other.
Exculpatory evidence that is common to both cases is going to have an effect, if there is exculpatory evidence common to both cases.
He also raises fair trial concerns going forward, given the publicity.
Picking a jury is going to be very difficult in this case, to find a fair jury that doesn't have a preconceived notion when they walk into that courtroom.
Salt Lake County District Attorney Sim Gill has previously said that the Swallow case would move forward. Reached out to him tonight. He told me there's been no change in stance. Much more reaction to the day's developments on our website, KSL.com. In Salt Lake County, Andrew Adams, KSL 5 News.